Hello guys, welcome back again to another video. Just have a look. Today I came into my field, and why I came here in this video I'm going to talk about that. And now in this video I'm going to show you all the thing why I came here and what I'm doing here. Okay, so let's be with me. So this video is going to be a type of vlog. Okay, so let's see and have a look and just enjoy while looking all the thing whatever I'm going to show you in this video. The main purpose is that today I came here to irrigate my wheat crops. Okay, as you can see, like everywhere I'm surrounded with the crops, wheat crops. These all are wheat crops. Just look at that, everywhere. My village is so far from here. As you can see, I'm just trying to show you my village, and I'm not sure is it looking or not. My field is so far from my village. Okay, as you can see, and today I came here in the morning, and now I'm going to show you how we are irrigating our field. So just look at that. Try as much as possible for you to listen whatever I'm gonna speak and whatever I'm gonna show you in this video. Okay, because I have already told you that listening is also a part of learning. It is also part of speaking. When you will become a great listener, then you will be able to speak clearly, and then you will be able to speak better. The first thing is that you just need to become a listener. I'm not only listener out. You just need to become a good listener. Okay, then after something will happen and you will start speaking and you start realizing, and just try to listen and just try to observe all the thing, the pronunciation, the way the speaking structure, all the thing. Okay, you just need to do this thing and just try as much as possible for you to have attention for this and just listen carefully. As you can see, there is water pump, and now I'm gonna show you all the thing. I'm just doing voiceover after some time because that time was too noise and because of that water pump. And as you can see, here is now, and he's the owner of this water pump. And now from here we started the water pump, and now all the water is going through this pipe, as you can see, into my field. And there is my grandpa, and who's just looking that. Okay, and also still this time that was so noisy. In fact, my ears was just shouting again and again, just like get out from here. And this canal, I would like to tell you that in this canal there are a lot of fish. Okay, and my villagers always used to do fishing in that canal. And this time I'm just trying to show you that fishes, because when I reached here, then I suddenly saw a lot of fish. And now I'm trying to reach there. Okay, the first thing is that I'll have to face this problem, like I'll have to cross this bridge, and let me tell you, which is made by nature. Yes, you heard right. So just look at this bridge. As you can see, this is the bridge, and I'll have to cross this first. The first thing is that I'll have to cross this bridge. And let me tell you one thing, guys, this is my first time, like I'm going to cross this bridge, like a natural bridge, and I never ever try to cross this bridge because I just so scared. I just got so scared. Like one time I just tried to cross this, but I didn't succeed at that time. Now the time has come again to cross this road and to have this challenge. I always take challenge in my life, and I always take risk. Now the second time has come to take risk, while like I'll have to cross this bridge, like which is made by nature. Yes guys, this is made by nature. As you can see, this tree has fall down from here. It was here, and one time when I came here, this tree was just like straight, and now because of the weather, because of the water, and because of the rainy season, it's like fall down, and now it's became a type of bridge. Okay, so now I'm going to reach there, and now I'm going to try and now I'm going to cross. Okay, so let's see what will happen if I could succeed to cross this road. So it will become one type of success for me. Okay, so let's see what will happen. Now I'm going to take a biggest risk. If I could not be able to cross this, and if I fall down in this canal, then what will happen? I will wait, and as well as my cell phone will be destroyed. Yes, you heard right. So let's see what will happen. As you can see, now I'm gonna try, and I'll not stop the recording. Okay, so let's see what will happen. This is my first step, and the second, third, fourth, 5, 6, 7, 8. So guys, I did it. Yes, I just like succeed, and I crossed this bridge. As you can see, it's looking so dangerous, and it is looking so weird. As you can see, but I did it. Okay, so now I'm going to in my field. So I crossed that bridge, and now I reached here. As you can see, the water is coming through this pipe. Water pump is there, and water is coming through this pipe, and here, and he's just like coming here. Okay, as you can see, this is my friend. How it is, how we are irrigating our wheat crops like this. Everybody is just irrigating their field. As you can see, I hope it is looking to you like this. There are a lot of people. The first man is there, and they also irrigating their field, and there are also somebody, as you can see, and there is also everybody is just like irrigating their field. So it's a very necessary for our wheat crops to irrigate them, to reach out the water in their roots. Okay, if they get a sufficient water, then after the wheat crops will grow easily. Okay, and then after, if we don't irrigate our field, then after our wheat crops will not grow like this. If we do comparison in the one side where we don't like irrigating our field, and the one side we are irrigating our field, okay, like our wheat crops, so the wheat crops will not grow same. Okay, there will be a lot of difference between those wheat crops. Okay, so that's why we are just irrigating, and it is the second time we came here and we are just irrigating our field. Okay, so it's a very necessary thing for this like wheat crops. So because of that, we are doing this. This is a wheat crops, and as well as, just look at this. What is this? Let me tell you guys, it's a mustard crops, and this is in their growing stage, and they are just growing, and after some time they will become like this. As you can see, they'll become like this crop. Okay, and because they are just every mustard crops are in their growing stage, this mustard crop will become like, I'll show you. Now I'm gonna show you how it will become. As you can see, it will become like that. Okay, there are a lot of mustard crops, and they grown a lot. Okay, and this mustard crop will also look and will grow like that. As you can see, there are a lot of mustard crop in everywhere. We are surrounded with the mustard crop. As you can see, there are a lot of crops. Okay, so guys, now I came back at my home from my field, and we have irrigated my whole field, and now the time has come for me to be fresh and just have a breakfast. It's almost 10 a.m. this time. Okay, and now I'm going to have my breakfast this time. Okay, so now I'm going to do all my work, and I hope you have enjoyed this, and you have got something from this video. And in the beginning, I have already told you that like just try as much as possible for you to try to listen. Okay, I would like to tell you that I am going to end this video, and I'm gonna tell you again, just try as much as possible for you to listen. We will meet in another video, so bye bye.